the problem is not so much growing food in the urban areas, because that's not possible. There's not enough land, especially here in San Diego. So all the food has to come from farmland, and the question is affordability of the food for low-income people, and also the quality of the food, because just because some food is less costly doesn't mean that it's good for the community. There's a lot of problems with overweight and obesity, and so the question is how best to get the food, the right type of food to the community that is needed. And I think there's a lot of social programs and neighborhood programs. There's some government program like food stamps, which is a start, but is not the solution. The solution is basically the community, having the right kind of shops and grocery stores in the community. Make sure that poorer communities have the grocery stores that are serving affordable food and also healthy food. And that's something that the community leaders can talk with political leaders, and also get some help from businesses in terms of food donations or things like that.
Everyone has a right to a healthy diet and access to a healthy diet. A lot of the issues right now, we're getting food that doesn't have quality ingredients, and it can lead to malnutrition. You see that in a lot of lower class communities, and you see that with different races. We'll have issues like you'll get diabetes more prominent in certain cultures, certain ethnicity groups. And then food justice also is really important with genders, because women and men have different diet needs, especially with like certain diseases or pregnancy. That's a big issue. Like women should have access and information to the proper diet. So I think that's a big important step in food justice.
Yeah. That are serving affordable food and also healthy food. And that's something that the community leaders can talk with political leaders, and also get some help from businesses in terms of food donations or things like that.
Yeah. And the second question is, analyze how the food choices we make as individuals collectively influential political, social, economic, and ecological change taking place locally, regionally, and globally.
So that question comes down again to what we eat influences the agricultural landscape. So if people keep demanding, say like corn isn't a lot of food, so if people just keep buying fast food and stuff where the main ingredient is corn or byproducts of corn, you're going to have a very different landscape in the Midwest, where people just have like a single crop instead of having multiple crops, which worsens the soil, and then you have other environmental issues with too much nitrogen in the system, and that causes pollution.
Yeah.
So it really, like, the food choices we make is it's a trickle-down system into affecting a lot of environmental issues as well as health issues.
So absolutely, yeah. Anywhere they find a square lot that isn't used, and if the city will respect that and let it happen, absolutely.